Hello and welcome back for another saxophone tutorial from Nottingham Music Excellence. So I'm going to play that tricky piece in this grade 2 book called Greenmarket Square by Ros Stephen. So if you're looking to further your saxophone playing, then start right now, click on the subscribe button to Nottingham Music Excellence and click on that bell notification next to that button and you will receive updates for other videos that I do around this standard. Hope you enjoy the video. Here we go. Okay, so you've heard the music now. Let's say a few words about the detail in there and what you need to do to make this sound really awesome. So I think the difficulties in this piece can really be summarised as playing this swing rhythm, getting that really good against the lively piano accompaniment. And also use the phrasing detail carefully here, not only to make the swing work, but also just to make the whole piece sound really rhythmically interesting. So I'm going to play this first little passage here and just see how much detail there really is in here to get out. So straight away, you notice the phrasing there. And then da-do, da-do, da. Now, when you play it at that speed, I think it's really useful so you can really hear all the detail really carefully. And I think if you practice it in that really slow way, it won't take you long to just move the tempo up a little bit and hang on to most of that detail. So and then the similar kind of thing with the next section. So I think it's fair to say that this is really pushing the boundaries of grade 2 a little bit. It is quite tricky, isn't it? It looks a fair bit longer than the other pieces. There's a lot of, articulation detail in there. And, you've really got to make this sound lively, cool and jazzy. And as always with these swing rhythm pieces, you've got to be really careful if you're, not so experienced in doing jazzy music. Got to be really careful whether you're starting on the first note of the swing rhythm or like the second note of the rhythm. So just be careful whether you're playing or if you're starting on the off beat, if you're starting on the second note. So as in the opening entry, you're starting on the second note of the swing rhythm there. And later down, maybe if I take the example of bar 8. Notice there you're starting on the beat, not off. Now this bit at 21, I really love this actually against the piano part. It sounds really cool. So bar 21 we've got before we come back to the tune again. And now if you get that in sync in the right way with the piano, I think that's going to be a great bit to play. Now despite this is quite tricky for grade 2, I think there's a lot of repetition here. So I think if you just learn those first 2 lines carefully, a lot of it really is the same after that. I think you've just got to make sure that what you do learn early in the piece, you learn really accurately. And of course, most of it is in a very comfortable key for saxophone. It all fits on those nice notes on the D major scale. So luckily it's in D major and not like A flat major or something. So I think that's in its favour too. So all in all, I think this is a really super piece to play actually. It's got lots of character, it's really good fun. But I think we do have to say it is just pushing the boundaries of what you might call a grade 2 piece. But hey, if you're going to play it for grade 2, well done, and I hope you get a really good mark for it. Okay, so over to the play along section now. I want you to play along with me with a metronome. I'm going to do it at a nice steady speed, 92 BPM. See if you can play this with me, and I think it will give you a really good footing for doing it on your own with the piano. Here we go. So I'll give you 1, 2, 3, and then we're in. A 1, 2, 3. Okay, I hope that went okay. Now have a go at playing along with the accompaniment yourself. Good luck. This is at a slightly reduced tempo. See if you can play it all by yourself and get it really accurate. Here we go. Okay guys, I think that's it for Greenmarket Square. I hope that went well. Tricky little piece. And of course, if you did make use of the video, make sure you click that like button. Let me know how you're getting on with grade 2 in the comments section. But for this one, that's it. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.